When rain falls on a natural forest, most of the water soaks into the ground. Leaves intercept rainfall, roots absorb water, and the soil acts like a sponge, slowly releasing moisture over time. In cities, the situation is very different. Urban environments contain large areas of impervious surfaces, such as roads, parking lots, rooftops, and sidewalks. These surfaces prevent water from infiltrating into the soil. Instead, rainfall flows quickly across the surface and enters storm drains. During heavy storms, this runoff can overwhelm drainage systems and lead to flooding. Stormwater runoff can also carry pollutants such as oil, chemicals, and debris into rivers and lakes. Urban forests help reduce these problems through several natural processes. One of the most important is rainfall interception. When rain falls onto tree canopies, a portion of that water is caught by leaves and branches. Some of this intercepted water evaporates back into the atmosphere before it ever reaches the ground. This process reduces the total amount of water entering the stormwater system. Trees also slow the movement of rainfall. Instead of hitting the ground all at once, rainwater drips gradually from leaves and branches. This slower movement allows more water to infiltrate into the soil. Tree roots play a major role in improving soil structure. Roots create small channels in the soil that allow water to move downward more easily. As roots grow and decay, they increase soil porosity and improve infiltration. Urban trees therefore help increase the amount of rainwater that soaks into the ground, rather than flowing across pavement. Another important factor is soil stabilization. Tree roots help hold soil in place, reducing erosion during heavy rainfall. This is especially important on slopes, streambanks, and other areas prone to soil movement. Urban forestry programs often integrate tree planting into broader stormwater management strategies. For example, cities may plant trees in areas designed to capture runoff, such as rain gardens, bioswales, or green infrastructure systems. These systems use vegetation and soil to filter and absorb stormwater before it reaches drainage systems. By combining trees with engineered solutions, cities can significantly reduce the volume of stormwater entering their infrastructure. Stormwater benefits can also be measured. Urban foresters often use tools like iTree to estimate how much rainfall is intercepted by the city's tree canopy each year. These estimates help demonstrate the economic value of urban forests. In some cases, the stormwater management benefits of trees can save cities millions of dollars in infrastructure costs. Instead of building larger drainage systems, cities can invest in tree planting and green infrastructure. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that trees reduce stormwater runoff primarily through rainfall interception and improve soil infiltration. Exam questions often emphasize that tree canopies intercept rainfall and roots improve soil structure, allowing more water to infiltrate into the ground. Today we explored how urban trees help manage stormwater and reduce flooding in cities. Through rainfall interception, soil stabilization, and improved infiltration, trees act as a natural stormwater management system. But rainfall management is only one of the many environmental services provided by urban forests. In the next podcast, we'll explore how trees help improve urban air quality and reduce pollution. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.